Welcome, seekers of wisdom and wealth, to another chapter in the Motivational Mindset Series on Billy Goat Tales. I'm Rich Smothers, aka CryptoBilly, your guide through the wild worlds of cryptocurrency innovation and inner transformation. Since 2017, I've navigated the volatile peaks and the valleys of the crypto markets, turning lessons from the blockchain breakthroughs into blueprints for personal growth. Here on Billy Goat Tales, we don't just chase coins. We cultivate cornerstones like persistence, community, and emotional intelligence to build lives of true abundance. If you're new to the herd, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, because every tale we tell is designed to ignite your path. Whether you're a crypto trailblazer or just eyeing the next bull run, or someone yearning for deeper spiritual alignment, today we're diving into an ancient art that's as timeless as it is transformative: numerology. Imagine if the numbers in your birthdate and name weren't just digits, but a cosmic code revealing your soul's blueprint. Stick with me, and by the end of the episode, you'll know how to crack that code yourself and why it could reshape your mindset for success in trading, in relationships, and beyond. Today's topic, guys, is numerology. So first thing first, what exactly is numerology? Well, at its core, numerology is the study of numbers as vibrations of energy, a belief that everything in the universe, from your name to your birthday, carries a hidden frequency influencing your life. It's not fortune telling, it's a tool for self-discovery. Rooted in traditions dating back to ancient civilizations like the Babylonians and the Egyptians, and even echoed in biblical patterns. Think of it as the universe's way of whispering your potential. Much like how a Harvard scientist recently claimed that mathematically there's a mathematical formula that could prove God's existence, blending science and spirit in ways that make your heart race, really. For beginners like many of you tuning in, perhaps fresh from a late night scroll through crypto forums or pondering life's bigger questions, the beauty is in its simplicity, guys. You don't need a PhD or a crystal ball. Start with the fundamentals, the single digit numbers from 1 to 9, plus the master numbers 11, 22, 33, so on and so forth, which pack extra power. Each number embodies a unique essence, like archetypes guiding your journey. Well, let me break it down with a quick little overview, and we'll tie this back to the real life application soon, I promise. Number one is the pioneer. Number one represents the bold, the independent, a natural leader charging ahead like a solo trader spotting an undervalued altcoin. Number two brings harmony and intuition, the diplomat fostering partnerships in a bear market. The number three is the creative communicator, spinning ideas into viral content or innovative smart contracts. That's the number three. Number four grounds us with discipline and structure, building stable foundations like a diversified portfolio. The number five fuels adventure and grace, adapting to change with divine favor. Think freedom from scarcity, multiplying loaves into abundance. And then the number six embodies nurturing and humanity's heartfelt labor, reminding us of our need for rest and redemption. And then the number seven dives into spiritual wisdom and introspection, the seeker uncovering hidden gems in scripture or in market cycles. And then number 8, commands abundance and karma, balancing power with ethical stewardship. And then the number 9. 9 wraps it in compassion and completion, releasing the old for universal service. Now, how do you learn this for yourself? It's easier than hodling through a dip, I'm telling you. We'll use 2 hands-on methods, calculating your name's vibration and your birth date's life path. I'll walk you through mine as well. And we'll probably do a whole nother little video so I can really go into my numerology to give you a better example how to do this for yourself. Because what's a better way to learn than seeing it unlock your own story, right? So grab a pen, pause if you need to, jot it down. We're going to try to get through this really, really quick. So to begin, just the letter A is number 1, the letter B is number 2, the letter C is number 3, and so on and so forth. Put your numbers next to the alphabet. Ignore any spaces, ignore any punctuation. And then what you'll do is you'll sum them all up. Then reduce to a single digit unless it's a master number. You'll see what I'm talking about. So take mine, for example, my entire name. Richard Winford Smothers. That's it. That's CryptoBilly. And you add that all up, you're going to get to a total number. And when you add it all up and get to a total number, you're going to get to the number 267. That's my number. What does 267 whisper? Well, it has meaning. In biblical numerology, it's a call to spiritual enlightenment and trust in the divine guidance. That's what my number given to me, my name given to me at birth, means from a numerology standpoint. Lean on God's plan amid uncertainties, straight out of Proverbs. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding. That's what my number means. Can you believe that? I was given that name. Those numbers add up to 267. And when you research your number, you are going to be amazed at how it identifies you and how much you resonate with your number. For me, this isn't abstract, guys. It frames my crypto journey. Those fetters of market crashes became chains leading to freedom, building Billy Go Tails as a chariot carrying encouragement to the weary. Viewers have called me an earth angel before. I've literally gotten DMs about that. I've heard people say that. Of an angel of light, cleansing souls through stories of resilience. We've had that written about us before. My number is 267, and some might say that it's humility in pursuit, strength from hardship. You can research it yourself and figure out what your number is, but you can really, once you figure out your number, you can really research it and see the meaning of it. So try yours. What's your sum revealing? Figure it out. Take a look at it. It's going to mean a lot to you. I think this is going to help you find a little bit more about yourself. And that's what we're trying to do here at Billy Go Tails. All right, if you like what you heard today on numerology, please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to do another video really breaking my number 267 down, just to give you a little more insight to this, because I think some people are going to find it fascinating. Until next time, we'll see you on Billy Go Tails.